Okay, y'all, so this is a skin model. And this layer here, it has 3 layers. This layer here, the purple and above, is going to be the epidermis. From here to this yellow structure. So here and here is going to be the dermis. And from here to here, this is going to be the subcutaneous, also known as the hypodermis. But this is actually not a part of the skin, as my professor told me. So here, as you look in the dermis area, there are a few different structures here, and I'm going to go through and name a few of them. So this is a hair follicle. All hair follicles have a erector pili muscle, which is what causes your hair to stand up when you get the chills. If you look at this blue structure here, this is a sebaceous gland. Right here, this is another sebaceous gland just cut open, and you can see the sebum oils here, this yellow. And this is what keeps your hair follicle lubricated, and basically keeps your skin from getting dry. Now, we have 2 different types of sweat glands, and these are called sudoriferous glands. This sweat gland is an endocrine gland. This is found typically in like your pubic regions, so like your armpits, the pubic, like vaginal hairs, etc., and it produces a thicker, smelly sweat. These are called exocrine glands, and this produces a more watery sweat. These are all over the body. So there are 5 layers, depending on which part of the skin you're talking about. This is a 5-strata layer, and this is a 4-strata layer. The 5-strata layer is typically found on the heel of a foot, on your hands, pretty much where it be thicker skin at. What makes these different is the 4-strata layer does not have a lucidum. So the mnemonics that I use to remember the layers are: come, let's get some blood. So come, let's get some blood. So C stands for stratum corneum here. Let's, which is L, stands for lucidum, stratum lucidum. Get, G, stands for granulosum, and that's going to be just literally this dark purple line here. And in between this area right here is going to be S, sum, so spinosum. And this wavy structure here, literally just this line, is going to be the basal. So this is a 5-strata layer, and this is a 4-strata layer. And again, the only thing that makes these different are the fact that this is going to be found on thicker skin, and this is going to be on like your, arm, forearm, your thoracic cavity. Last thing I want to go over is these annotations here, and these are called, I think it's erector pili, and I haven't really gone over this yet. This is going to be in our 3rd unit, so I will come back when I learn that.